Israeli warplanes pound southern Gaza. Airstrike targets military facilities belonging to armed wing of Hamas. Israel holds 8 Palestinians in West Bank raids. Around 5,700 Palestinians are estimated to have been held in Israeli prisons. Israel says hosted Arab journalists and bloggers. Israel has diplomatic relations with only Egypt and Jordan. Qatar and Turkey have established strong partnership. Qatari Amir expresses his satisfaction after 7 agreements signed by 2 countries to boost bilateral relations. YPG-PKK terror attack kills 17 civilians in North Syria. Terror attacks also injured 20 civilians in village of Tel Halef west of Ras Al Ain, says Turkish Defense Ministry. Iraq police kills 6 Daesh terrorists in Kirkuk. Daesh terrorist group has continued to stage sporadic attack in Iraq. Saudi-led coalition frees 200 Houthis who aim to laying groundwork for exchange of prisoners and supporting Scotland agreement, according to a spokesman. US official meet Libya's HAFTAR to end Tripoli attack. HAFTAR launches offensive in April to capture Tripoli from UN-recognized government. 13 French soldiers killed in helicopter crash in Mali. Soldiers were part of French anti-terror operation in West Africa. 6.4 magnitude earthquake hits Albania, 20 dead. Albania tremor followed by 5.4 magnitude earthquake in neighboring Bosnia and Herzegovina, over 330 injured. Malaysia hints at resuming relations with North Korea. Prime Minister Mahathir Mohammad says Malaysia does not want confrontation with any country. Kashmir, 4 killed, several injured in multiple attacks. Incidents come after India reportedly deploys special troops in Kashmir to counter militancy.